Peace, family. What's happening? What's the word? We're gonna get straight into this. You feel me? Pigs strike again. That's the best thing to say. You feel me? Pigs strike again. So, a young black male, 12, 13 years old, in the middle of the day, taking out his trash. You heard me? Taking out his trash to his dumpster. It seems like they live in an apartment complex. If you live in an apartment complex or ever have, you know that in every apartment complex they have that section where the dumpsters are. Just throw your shit out and go on by space, right? Right. So this young man is taking out his garbage, probably doing his chores, you know what I mean? When the pigs decided to harass or detain and assault this young boy. Now when I say assault, as you see in the video, what I'm talking about is once you put your hands on me unwarranted, that's an assault. No matter, it's an assault. So this young man is taking out his trash. No crime, no reasonable, articulatable suspicion of committing a crime. Your collective knowledge should have shown, proven as a human with logic, that this person is taking out the trash. It's not a threat, he's taking out the trash. But not with the pigs. Not with the pigs. See, the pigs is a different type of beast. Different type of monster. You understand what I'm saying? For some reason, they felt the need to stop him, handcuff him, go through his pockets. Now, what I want you guys to understand, if you watched my last video, I broke down why they can do what they can do. It's still an assault. Okay? It's still an unlawful arrest. It is what it is. So the family can fight this and most likely will win this. But you see the father come out as he's supposed to and defend his son. Also, you hear the cameraman breaking this shit down. Everybody can see that this is retarded, this is ignorant, this is stupid, this is unnecessary, whatever the word comes to mind. These pigs felt it necessary to come fucking with a young person, put him in a state of possible fear, being scared, being afraid. This is a young man, 12, 13, doing nothing but taking out the car. We're not supposed to be apprehended, we're not supposed to be stopped, we're not supposed to be in these situations just for taking out the trash. For the pigs who did it, just imagine. I know you don't imagine because you're a pig, but just imagine you going down your driveway and dropping off your trash and some of your colleagues come and arrest you, pat you down. You would fight back, yell and scream. You don't see the ignorance in this. So family, I just wanted to show, the pig strike again. Pig strike again. Fucking with the black man and woman, of course. In this scenario, that's exactly what's going on. Young black male. Color codes used loosely. But yeah, family, check it out. It should be running as I'm talking. Hit the like, subscribe, all that shit. Come on.
Down here, now they've arrested the young boy, but then traumatized him. All these cops put him in a cop car.
Now they about to tell lies. They was wrong for that shit, man. They was wrong for that shit. The boy dramatized, boy. That boy fucked up. Well, look at that motherfucker. He crying and shit. What? What? You said what? They can't do nothing but me.